Hi guys, what's up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can make your aloe vera avocado hair mask. So I'm going to be using the aloe vera that everyone knows with coconut oil, avocado and avocado oil. Yeah. So I will go ahead and wash my aloe vera. So after that, I will cut it into smaller sizes to make the work easier, because you know aloe vera is slippery and yeah. So while we are enjoying the video, let me also share with you guys the benefits of aloe vera and avocado. Aloe vera stimulates or promotes hair growth. It prevents itching on the scalp. It reduces dandruff. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. Then for avocado moisturizes the hair. It promotes long, strong and healthy hair. Yeah. And for avocado and coconut oil, it helps to fight hair loss. It moisturizes dry hair, and also it adds shine and softens the hair. It also promotes the scalp. It promotes a healthy scalp, which helps in fighting dandruff or lice. Added less of avocado oil and added more of coconut oil. Added just 3 tablespoons of avocado oil. After adding everything, you blend it and your mask is ready to use. Yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, let me know in the comment section down below. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends. See you in my next video.